Hello, tech lovers and curious minds out there. I'm here today to take you on a thrilling ride through the world of machine learning. Yes, that buzzword you've probably heard thrown around in tech circles and beyond. But what is it really about? Let's dive in and demystify it together. Machine learning, or ML for short, is a fascinating form of artificial intelligence. It's like training a computer to think and learn from experience without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Imagine teaching your dog new tricks, but instead, it's a computer learning patterns from data. Now let's break it down with a familiar example. Have you ever wondered how your email sorts out spam almost magically? That's machine learning at work. The system analyzes patterns from thousands of messages, things like certain keywords, sender information, and even how you interact with different emails. Over time, it learns to distinguish between what's spam and what's not, improving its accuracy as it goes. But ML isn't just about sorting emails. It's reshaping industries across the board, from healthcare, where it helps diagnose diseases faster, to finance, where it can predict stock market trends. The potential is immense. So, how does this all happen? At its core, machine learning uses algorithms that iteratively learn from data, allowing computers to find hidden insights without being told where to look. It's essentially a way to program machines to learn and adapt in a way that mimics human learning. Now you might be thinking, that sounds complex. And you're right, it can be. But the beauty of machine learning lies in its ability to simplify our lives, automate mundane tasks, and make informed decisions quicker than ever before. As we continue to generate more data every day, the role of machine learning is only set to grow. Excited yet? I sure am. And this is just the beginning. Join me as we continue to explore the capabilities and innovations powered by machine learning. Make sure you hit that like button if you found this intriguing, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next tech adventure. Dive deep into data and technology with me, and let's unlock the mysteries of machine learning together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.